Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jennifer, or Jennifer by name if you are new here, and if this is your first time of seeing my video and see my channel, you are very welcome. I need an angel to save me from myself. Please don't forget to subscribe before you go. If you are new or if you're old, please don't forget to subscribe. Like, I'm counting on ya. I'm counting on ya. So for today's video is another review video by me to see if it's Jennifer approved. Like I said, I heard you guys a story of how I get this product. Let me quickly drop one story right here. It's not too long, but it's just a few second story. How I get this product is not a PRO product, because the PRO product comes in all the full collection and ranges, like sent to an individual or influencer or whatever situation that person is. Before I started my YouTube, I used to review like a free product online, and it used to be like L'Oreal products. So with time goes on, I was like contacted and sent email like, oh, do you want to join this label family? It's called label family. You get sent a product whenever it's launched, and just to review it. It's not necessarily me to do a video for it. It's just to try the product, use it and see how well it works for that individual, and just give your honest opinionated or not opinionated review, but literally honest review. You're not gonna get paid for anything. The only thing you get in return is the free product, and so far it's been working well for me. I like it. Like, I get views on the video I do on my reviews. They might come at like maybe 5 range or 5 collection. I will have to pick 1 or 2 out of it, so it's not like I have to have everything. So that's the difference. So I hope I cleared this story for you guys, and let's get right on to this review today. I am going to be reviewing a L'Oreal product, and this is no other than a liquid highlight drops. I think this is the first launch for a drugstore to actually have a highlight drops. I haven't used one myself, but I have come across various highlights from different brands. Like you have the Cover FX, you have the Iconic London, you have like lots of brands having highlight drops, and this is kind of like L'Oreal first launched as a drugstore product, and I'm pretty much excited to use it. And also, I haven't used any highlight drops before. I'm gonna show you the product, and also gonna read through the pamphlet that comes with the product, which I always do. So we have 2 highlight drops from L'Oreal. It's not that they launched like 5 and I had to pick 2. It's actually 2 highlight drops they launched, and I just, you know what, I'm gonna test out these two highlight drops, like see how it is. So it comes with this pamphlet, which have like instructions how to use, and also what this highlight is all about or tend to do, which I always read. Okay, and then after reading, then I'm going to do a swatch for you guys to show you the 2 highlight compared to my skin. And before we go to the tutorial for today, so on the front it says no makeup look, so that means you can also use this like just a flawless finish look. New Glow Mon Amour highlight drops. It's time to skip the snooze thing and get up and glow. I really like that. Introducing new Glow Mon Amour highlight drops. I hope I'm pronouncing that French very well, because my French days are over. The highly pigmented liquid illuminator drops blend seamlessly for easy application and luminous glow. The perfect highlight for your no makeup look. So how to use: use alone as a highlighter. Apply under your foundation for a natural no makeup look, or mix with your foundation for a subtle illumination, or mix it with your moisturizer to create a shimmery glow all over your body or your skin. So this is actually a 15 ml highlight drops. I really don't have other highlight drops brand, so I can't really compare how much ml is in what, but I have a 15 ml Glow Mon Amour highlight drops from L'Oreal. I'm opening these like a bronzy rose gold highlight drops. Wow, my god, this is so pretty and beautiful. smooth it all over my skin. Wow, this is really like nice. I pretty much like this drop, highlight drop. It's not that vivid like a goldish highlight. So this is like, from what I'm saying on the live view and the mirror, so this is like a probably bronzy brownish peachy highlight drop. So it's not a rose gold, sorry, it's a peachy highlight drops. And the next one from the bottom, it looks like a icy gold highlight drop, but I can't tell until I tried it out. So like a swatch. Ooh. So this is pretty much like a white icy highlight drop, but it has a little bit of gold flecks in it, so it's not too goldish, it's not too icy, but really the undertone pair is really serious, so kind of icy, yeah. However, these two are literally different. It's peachy and it's icy highlight drop, so I'm gonna be mixing these two together for all over my face glow, like underneath my foundation, which is the step I'm gonna go through. I have moisturized my face already, but still I still look a bit like ashy, dry AF. But don't worry, we're gonna wake that skin up. So I'm gonna go ahead with my primer from Smashbox. This is the photo finish primer, just to prime a little bit part of my face. Oh, this is so cold. It's just a little bit of this primer I took. This is just to like cover like some places that I think I still got a little bit of pores, but still my skin is smooth. So next I'm gonna be mixing these two highlight drops on my face, and I don't know how best to do with that. Oh lord, it's like this Instagram model. Oh, that is a lot of highlight. So I'm just gonna massage this highlight all over my skin now. I really don't know what I'm trying to do here, but some part of this highlight is peachy and icy, so I just need to like massage these all together. Oh boy, that's a lot of highlight there. So this highlight is sinking into my skin now, but in the live view and mirror I look really like pale white, but however this is not the finished look, so I'm just gonna go over with a foundation, and the foundation I'll be using is my Fenty Beauty foundation in 410. I'm just gonna give it a quick shake. So next I'm gonna be applying my concealer. The contour I'll be using is from Colourpop in Rich Certified. Underneath my eyes is Elegant Pro concealer in Fun. And just to give it a bit of highlight, I'm just gonna apply the C12 from Makeup Revolution concealer as well. With a kabuki brush, I'm just gonna blend my contour out first. So next, underneath my eyes, I am applying my Elegant Pro concealer in Fun and blend out with a damp beauty blender. Just to give my face a bit of pop of lightness, just gonna add this from Makeup Revolution. And blend. right now I'm fully blended, so all I need to do is just to set my face, which I'm gonna do outside the camera. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows, do my eyes, bake my face, and come back and finish the look. Hey guys, I'm back and this is my finished look. However, my lipstick is not on yet and my highlight is not on yet, so I'm gonna mix these two highlights together to give me my cheekbone highlight, and also put a little bit on my cupid's bow, add my lipstick, and come and say the end of this review. However, I have not actually like used a liquid highlight as my old highlight before, so this is kind of like different. Okay, okay, it's blending well. Okay, that was on my nose. Okay, it's blending well. Oh, okay. Okay, that's not bad. That is not too much I applied there, because I don't really know if this product is gonna blend well on top of makeup, but so far it's blending, so I might go a bit ham on this highlights. Oh no, we don't want that, please. So I actually use my middle finger to apply the liquid highlight and use my index finger to blend it out so it can be more subtle and more dewy. Ooh, I like mixing these two highlights together is not bad. Like, come on. Okay. Ooh, wow. I never knew in liquid highlight could bring like the features of your face without even applying a powder highlight. My god, my god, my god, my god, my god, I love this. So guys, I just went over this liquid highlight with a bit of a loose highlight from my Inglot, and just to like sharpen that cheekbone out a bit. Next, I'm just gonna apply my lipstick. I'm using this matte lipstick from L'Oreal. This is the color Riche Matte in 654. It's the new launch of matte normal lipstick. I like the color. It's like a very light chocolatey lip color. I'm just gonna spray my face now and then obviously change my hair tie, and I'll be back to give you the breakdown. So yeah guys, this is the finished look to my review, and I'm wearing my natural hair. I didn't want to cover it up, which I wouldn't do, but I just like, no, wait, let me show you my mini dreadlocks, so I'm flaunt it. What I think about these two products, they are lovely, they are good. I don't think it's gonna cost more than 10 pounds, like $9.99, or it could be $14.99. I really don't know, but as a drugstore from L'Oreal, their product is not really that pricey, so this is a good product. This is a good buy and stuff. But however, the only thing I kind of thought like is they should have come up with more ranges, more like liquid highlight colors, and with these just two is not enough. But still, this two is still workable, like first from drugstore, yes, I give it. So I don't have anything bad to say about this product. It actually blends well. Like for these being the first time to use a liquid highlight on top of my makeup, my face, a matte face, because I actually use Fenty after baking and stuff and use a liquid highlight, like the payoff is good. It's blending into the skin like smoothly, giving me that dewy luminous like look, golden like skin, which I really love. So yes, I would give this product 10. Like there's really nothing bad. It's the same average liquid highlighter. I think the bottle is brilliant. Like, it's not too big, not too small. Yeah, that's it guys. I don't really have much anything to say. It's just what it says. It's just wonderful product. I think you guys need to have it in your makeup kit. Like, this is highly pigmented. Like, you can see the payoff on my swatches. Like, this is like really pigmented, and it's even showing through my makeup, my skin. Oh, look at that glow there. Like, well guys, thank you very much for watching this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna leave the name and where probably you can get it down below so you guys can check it out. And until then guys, I'll be seeing you on my next video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, please. It's not gonna cost you anything. And before you go guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like, I am a lovely, like, fun person to watch, so please, why not just subscribe to my channel before you go. Don't forget to like click on that notification bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload. And until then guys, I'm gonna be seeing you on my next video, so take care of yourself.